Hello everyone, this is a WaveBinder tutorial. I want to show you how this audio visualization toolkit works. So WaveBinder has an analyzer where you can add the audio, an FFT window, the number of samples for resolution, and the sensitivity to improve those quiet frequencies, higher them up so you can play with them as well. Then you can choose different audio bands. These audio bands let you add what frequency range to analyze, so you can just move it around from 2000 to 20,000 hertz to 20 hertz. This has a predefined configuration for you to have already those audio bands configured on what would say low, mid, high, and so on. Then, for example, you have this cube and you want to make it audio reactive to the drum kick. So you would add a property binder group, and then you need a reference to any wave binder you have in the scene. You can have multiples for different effects, and in this case, you can choose what variable to choose, what data type to choose. Let's go for a vector 3, and then you can drag drop here the component, or just from here you can just take it, and then you also can choose it from here. So in this case, transform. The local scale, then you have to set on the minimum. So when the amplitude is 0, what the value is, and when the value is 1, the normalized amplitude is 1. What other value you want? Let's go for 1.5 and 1.5. And the first effect you can see is this. So on the kick drum, it responds to the audio change. Okay. Then, for example, let's say you can also add the property binders from here. You can just arrange it as you want. Let's say you want, I don't know, float, and then you want the light, for example, light intensity. It's always fun to play with. You can, I don't know, put it here, the trumpet 0 and 1, and then you can play around with this value. You will see now it gets dark, and it reacts to the lower frequencies. It goes to 1 to intensity. Then you can play with the smooth. For example, I added to the audio band 1 with the kick drum, and if I increase the smooth factor, then it's dynamic and reacts on the minimum change. And if I add more, it's a slower effect. So you can play around with that to make it more dense. And now, for example, if you want to bind a color, in this case, then you have the target type. In case of wanting to change the color material, you just select a material, and then you need the reference to the material. In this case, we are using triangles wall 1. Select the material, and then it displays all the properties with the same data type. In this case, we want the emission color, and let's say we want it with another audio band. I set it up. These are like high frequencies, for example, the clap. There is also a really nice rhythm marker, and let's go, I don't know, with the pink, and then we can add a bluish color with higher intensity, so it glows. Let's see how it goes. see it's reacting to the clap. And maybe I just want to make it a little bit softer. And you have this cool effect. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can write a comment. And if you find this tutorial helpful, you can like and subscribe. And you have the link below to the asset store, to the asset. Thank you for watching.